Do you want your Indeed resume to stand out? Well, Indeed assessments can help demonstrate specific skills, and the scores will appear on your resume. You can access these assessments through your Indeed resume page. Scroll down to the very bottom to where it says Assessments. You can actively take these tests on your own, or potential employers may invite you to complete one after you've applied. Indeed will recommend assessments based on your job skills and interests. To see the full list, click View All Assessments. You can search using these options or simply scroll down the list. I'm going to search by name. As you type into the search bar, a few options will appear. Then you can select the one you want. Click Start Assessment. A summary of the test will appear, and when you're ready, click Get Started. To prepare, you are given specific instructions. Pay close attention to this area. Carefully read through the directions and gather all materials beforehand. When you're ready, click Continue. Finally, a practice question will appear. Remember, you have a limited amount of time to answer each question. You can find your remaining time at the top. When you're ready, click Continue. Now keep in mind that when you leave out of an assessment, the timer will not stop. It's best to answer all questions in one setting. Once you're finished, return to the resume page to access your score. Let's see how we did. Click View Score Report. Your score will show you how you performed on each test. Although assessments can display specific skills on your profile, it does have its limitations. You cannot remove assessments from your resume, however, you can hide them if you want. Just click the toggle to the right, and employers will no longer be able to see it. Consider taking assessments relevant to your skills and previous experiences. If you're on a smartphone or tablet, assessments may not be available in the mobile app. Instead, you can use your device's web browser to access them. Remember, not all employers use this feature as part of the hiring process, and assessments will not give employers a comprehensive view of your skills or background. However, you should do your best whenever you take an assessment.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.